Let me get my guests into the show. Ashok, thank you for joining me. Turning point of the game, would you say it's the 54-run stand between Keegan Petersen and Rassie van der Dussen?
Exactly, because India needed quick wickets when we started today. We needed a couple of the quick wickets to put pressure on them, and they made sure. Although our bowlers were, spot on, both Bumrah and Shami, they beat the bat so often. But unluckily, the cricketing gods were with South African team today. The edges were not going into the hands, and the luck was not in India's favour. But luck favours the brave, as they say, and I think South African batters and South African team seem to be more braver than the Indian team.
Sarandeep, I'll come to you. Dropping Keegan Petersen when he was already playing so well, Pujara dropped him. That, would you say, was another turning point?
Yeah, it could be, because when you take the catches, then India has to be 80 to 100 runs left to get them out. But still, it's not about that the drop catching. It's all about that we are having the good fielders in the slip position. Okay, every time we keep on changing the slip cordons. We don't have a fix. Only Virat Kohli is the only one. First we see there is Ajinkya Rahane, then Rohit Sharma is not there, then we see someone else is coming there. So we keep on changing the positions like this, then it will be costly, because they are not the specialists in slip fielders. So that's why when the crucial catches will come, and they will be drop like this, and then again we are just keep looking each other's and what happens next. So I think you should need to be taking a good catches. If you don't take it, then the bowler's morale is going down, because we don't have a much run. Batsmen don't put a bigger scores on the scorecard to chase it. So that's why whatever the scores you're having, bowlers are giving their best. But if you don't take the good catches or don't do good run-outs, then things will be difficult for you.
Ashok, when India wins, we don't talk much about dropped catches. Dropped catches hasn't been a phenomenon just in this test match, but we have seen through the series. Would you agree with Sarandeep on that? We need to have specialists for positions like slips?
Absolutely, Rika. I agree with Sarandeep. And another thing is that is what the fielding coach is there. I know the coach is there, the whole setup is there. You should specialize. You practice so much, you train so much. Why? Because catches wins you matches. That's a old saying. So definitely, I would like to have a very, especially when your bowling is dependent on fast bowlers. We are not depending on spinners, especially in over outside India. So definitely the fact is, fielding again let us down. The Pujara, if it have taken that catch, things might have been different, because South African batters are not looking confident. They know they are also a bit thin, especially with the late order batters. So when the pressure mounts, they crack under pressure. So I think that catch proved very, very costly, and I would still feel that South African lot seemed to be more determined. And they, and we kept going for, I would say, the people who were struggling with the ball.
Sarandeep, actually that brings me to the question of us attacking only with the fast bowlers. Ashwin not really coming into play. He's bowled 6 overs. He's not looked as menacing as he normally looks on Indian wickets.
And that's why this is a huge question, and this is why Indian team is struggling when we go out, and why we not playing with Ravichandran Ashwin, why we put Ravindra Jadeja in front of him, because he's not able to get wickets when we go abroad. Even in the South Africa, if we're looking, these are not the best of the teams we're looking for it. Especially the standards what Ravichandran is having, he got 430 wickets in his pocket. Means again, he was looking like that. Even you look after the captain, okay, when the fast bowlers got tired, then we'll give it to him. Why he should not be to come into that attack early? Why not? Why that confidence not into the captain? Why even Ravichandran Ashwin means if you're such a senior there, you should go to the captain. You should talk to the head coach Rahul Dravid. You should go to the bowling coach. Why don't you guys tell the captain, or why don't you put into the schemes first? Why not? I mean, I can get the wickets for you. But if you're not doing there, if you're just waiting when he give you to ball, and only and when you do it, That's not going to be happen when there is a previous spinners like Anil Kumble, Harbhajan Singh. They got a lot of wickets in the foreign conditions. Why we are standing and just looking for it? When he throw the ball to me, then I get it. Why don't I just go to him and ask him, okay, give it to me ball. I'll bowl from one end. I bowl 10-15 overs from one end and let the other will be bowled from the other end. Because you keep rotating fast bowlers all the time. Sometimes somehow if they don't get wickets, they get tired. And when they got tired, Bumrah, Shami, your main bowlers, they go off for another 15-20 overs. At that the time, the partnership start building up.
Right.
Peters and Dawson, the partnership is going up. So that's why I think Ravichandran Ashwin has to be there. If he's not there, then I don't know why. I mean, he's not just only for the fielding in the test matches.
And perhaps for the batting, though he hasn't contributed much with the bat. Ashok, I know you are a big fan of Ravi Ashwin. You agree with all of those that he has not been pulling in his weight?
See, captain bowlers are captain bowler, you know, and Ravichandran Ashwin and Virat don't get along well. At least we know that it can be seen, you know. So as you very rightly put it, why couldn't he be utilized a bit more? Why he was given only 6 overs up till now? Because when your medium pace is not picking the wickets, somebody like Ravichandran Ashwin might have done the trick. You know, on the other side, when Sarandeep says he has not done well abroad, he's got 430 wickets. Sure, he's got 430 wickets. He deserves it. You know, but yes, outside in India, but the bowler, Sarandeep has been a bowler himself. You need the confidence of the batter, the captain. When the captain does not give you confidence, does not even look at you, then you know, he might be a great bowler, but we know there are no great vibes between the two. You don't expect Ashwin to go and tell Virat, give me the ball. He might snub him or say something which might not go down well with Ashwin. There's no love lost between the two. Let me hit the nail on the head.
There's a lot more to discuss with both of you when the match probably finishes in the next session. This will perhaps be the last session, last hour of play, either side winning this test match, but it looks like that South Africa is going to make it 2-1. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining me.